Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Before, after. Do y'all see a difference? Before, after. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? This is me coming back. I just got my new lens that I got from Amazon. I wanted to try it. It's the wide angle lens, so I just got that. So I wanted to try that. So yeah, well, not just, but I had pin curl my hair, put this wig on, this closure wig, and trying to get these pin curls to stay, but it's not wanting to stay up. But anywho, what we're gonna do is let's do a little chit chat. So I don't know if this is gonna be a chit chat video or just gonna be part of the vlog, but I'll see when I come to editing. Um, I'm going to put this on my head, this bonnet, and I'm going to do this face mask, and we're gonna talk. So let's get to it, guys. Ugh. So first thing first, put the bonnet on my head and make sure that it is back. I did use on my hair some glue to keep my closure down. I used this glue from the beauty supply store, just like the cheapest glue they got. Because when I put the lace glue, it always slides back. So my forehead is weirdly shaped. So I just put it right here, and I just used the that's to be glue on the side. So yeah, so this is the glue that I use. It was like $5. But anywho, I got my bonnet on and I'm going to use this face mask. I think I showed you guys this before. This is the face mask I'm going to use. Got it from TJ Maxx. And it comes with this little applicator. So I want to talk to you guys, and we're going to put this is a water sleeping mask. So you just put this on and just let it stay. And it absorb overnight. So it's like an overnight mask. This is the second time I'm using this, but anywho, just want to talk to you guys, cause it's been a minute. Ooh. Okay, I'll put that on the paper towel. But anywho, it's been a minute. Um, life has been lifing, I must be saying, and I'm just been in a battle with myself. And actually, the last week, so I've been realizing a lot about myself and how much I have to work on things. Oh, I got a mirror behind this, so if y'all see me like looking like I'm off, I'm actually looking in the mirror. But yeah, I think I'm at a point that I need to really focus on this healing journey, because I starting to see how I am and how truly unhealed I am, I guess you could say, or how much I'm not where I used to be, but I am not what I need to be at the same time. So even with this YouTube thing, I just been thinking about this, how I want to go about it, but I realized that this is part of the healing journey. Me wanting to start the 75 hard and not doing it. It seems like everything I start, I can't finish. It's just a lot. But I am dedicated to this healing journey that I am on. And I'm not going to give up. I just know that, like, even he just give me little signs throughout the day. I had a fortune cookie that I just had, and the mentions in the fortune cookie spoke to me. Like, he's been giving me confirmation about different things. But I also know that how I am and how I express things, that sometimes, like, I have my moments that I just break down. But that's life. But again, it's a healing journey. And I'm on a healing journey. And I gotta be more intentional about it. Stick to things. My goals, write down my goals, be more consistent. I got a lot that I need to work on. And I know I need to document it. Be more serious about it, because I know I'm not the only person out there that's going through things and trying to heal from trauma and life and deal with life, and deal with family, and deal with all the stuff that comes, because it's never stopping. Life don't stop for no one, and it always is something. But anywho, just wanted to come and talk to you guys. This face mask is very moisturizing from the first time I used it. Again, this is my second time using it. And I'm trying to get rid of these dark spots. If I get rid of these daggone dark spots, it'd be okay. But when I got y'all here, let's talk. Let's talk. I've got these vitamins. Well, I'll do it like this, but these vitamins are good. They are the Mary Ruth Women's Multivitamins. This brand is a very good brand. I was looking for the liquid vitamin, but I couldn't find it in the store. So I found these. So I got this, and I got this because the liquid vitamin is good for the hair. So I just got this, and I can tell the difference. I'm on month 2 of this. This is my second month of this. I can tell a difference in my hair and nails, and I just on my first one of this. So that's what I got. I got this from Target. And I've been taking these. I've been telling a different. I've been on these for like 6 months now. These are the sea moss gummies. I get these from Amazon for like $8-9 a bottle. But yeah, that's pretty much. I know I got some eye patches somewhere. I'm probably doing too much, but anywho, I just wanted to really come to you guys, like, just to talk to you guys and let you know what's on my mind. Like, sometimes I just have a lot on my mind, and this is just one of the times that I feel like I just need to just talk and let it out. So yeah, this healing journey is something real. I feel like my past is catching up to me, and me suppressing how I feel and things is coming to light, and I need to deal with it. So yeah. Anywho, I just wanted just a quick little video, nothing much. I think I'm going to put this up by itself without actually putting it in the vlog. I think I'm doing a vlog on a different one, but just some random thoughts. I know you may not get it, or you may not understand it, but I know somebody do. That you're not the only one, and this healing journey is a journey. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be some rocks in the road, and you just got to get over it and work through it till you get to the end. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.